Our favorite baby app is not disappointing. Pencl Notes is the first third-party note-taking application to introduce true dark mode to the application. That's what I'll be talking about in this video. Hey guys, it's Roxy back with Paperless X, a channel that is all about digital productivity. If you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you're looking for a solution to go paperless with your business or your studies. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I release a new video. This update has been out for about 2 weeks now. I was a bit occupied to do a video on it, but I'm finally getting around to do it. Pencl Note now has true dark mode. Yes, it does. I love the fact that the dark mode doesn't change my user interface color. I love my pink color and I want it to stay pink. So it works for me. It can stay like that. But everything else in the application changes. Look at that. Everything is automatically converted. They have warned that this dark mode will not work with some older paper backgrounds and shape colors. I was curious to see which ones wouldn't work, but those are not very easy to spot, so I didn't really waste my energy on them. They're there, but you know, there are a few. Did you notice how them pages just changed? So when you're in dark mode, you have a different set of page color templates in the application, and when you go back to light mode, you have a different set of pages. And I also noticed that they did fill up the section with more page colors. Thank you, Miguel. That's the name of the developer for this application. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. I mean, I mentioned it in passing and they actually paid attention. I'm happy about that. The second thing I noticed about this update is that the icon to exit the working space to go back to the home page is now staying on the page the whole time. Last time we had to tap the screen first to make this icon appear on the screen and then tap it to exit the working space, which I thought was just a lot of work, and he managed to fix that. You do not want to be tapping your app 5, 6, 7, 20 times just to exit it. We now have a simpler way to add pages too, instead of having to customize every page, which we did in the previous version of the application. Now you can simply long press this plus icon to add a page, and the application would automatically add a page that looks like the previous one, which makes sense for a lot of us users. That's exactly what we expect. You can also change the page template in the application now, which you couldn't do before. Simply tap on this down-facing arrow, tap template, and change it. Please note, you can't change the page size or orientation of the page. I do hope that this comes soon though, because page orientation is kind of a must-have for a note-taking application. It's really important for a note-taking application to be able to support different page orientations in one notebook. You can adjust your pens according to millimeters now. I hope soon we'll be able to add some favorite sizes as well. But this is definitely a step in the right direction. At least now I get to know the thickness of the pen tool I'm using. You can also see the opacity of your pens in percentages, and that's really useful. The last feature added to our baby app is how you create documents. It's easier to see now when you create documents because adding a new document will take you to the workspace, to your new workspace, and you can get to customize your pages, your page orientation, size, and all of that. After you tap the plus icon, you can actually see that you're creating a new page and you're not left wondering if you created a new notebook or not. So I really like that. This application is definitely a contender against Notability and GoodNotes 5, mostly because our developer Miguel is actually paying attention. And I feel like now more than ever, developers need to actually start paying attention because there are so many applications available, so many applications to choose from, and there's such young talent that is coming up and that have brilliant ideas that can easily take over markets overnight. Notion is a very good example of a young app that really took over from older applications. I had bet that Zoom Notes would bring true dark mode in a third-party note-taking application first. I stand corrected. And well done to Pencl Notes, because Pencl Notes has managed to do what Notability, GoodNotes, NoteShelf, all them note-taking applications, they have failed to do. This app did it in 2 months. It's a 2-month-year-old app and they already have true dark mode. I am impressed. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.